In this video, I will be showing you how to reverse payment on the standard bank application. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So I have made a complete guide to show you guys how you guys can do it. So what you exactly have to do is to open up your standard bank application, and in the application log into your account, and once you've done that, go to your transaction history or the orders of the debit card, and after that request a reversal, tap on the payments and look for the reverse or dispute option. Follow the prompts, complete the process by providing required details and confirming the reversal. If this option isn't available, contact standard bank customer support directly. That will help you out, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye.